time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Let's sing and play games. Hug me. You're my friend.
Go get it. Yeah, go get it.
I love you.
Yeah, you want to play with it? Go get it.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Yeah.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Bye bye.
Oh.
It's learning time. Ear. Blue ear. Let's sing and play games. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can they go flip flop? Can you do it while you hop? Do your ears hang low?